So you've probably heard about AI agents, right? But here's the thing. Most platforms make you feel like you need a computer science degree just to set one up. Well, what if I told you there's actually a way to build and deploy AI agents that's so simple you can literally do it with a few clicks? That's exactly what TaskAGI is, and I'm going to show you how it works. TaskAGI is basically an AI agent platform, but here's what makes it different. It's built for people who want results without the headache. You get all the infrastructure and integrations you need already set up and ready to go. Now you've got two ways to approach this. You can either build your own custom agent from scratch, and trust me, it's way easier than you would think. Or you can just grab one of the pre-built agents and deploy it instantly. Let me show you how this actually works. When you log into your dashboard, you will see all the agents listed right there. Pretty straightforward, but if you want to skip the building part entirely, just click over to the browse page. This is where it gets cool. You can literally browse through tons of ready-made agents and deploy any of them in just a few minutes. Now, some of these agents might need to connect to other platforms. Things like Reddit, WordPress, Shopify, whatever you're using. No big deal, just head over to the integrations page, find the integrations you're looking for, and simply follow the guides. Once that's done, your agent is ready to roll. Here is where it gets really interesting though. The actual workflow builder is pretty slick. On the left side, you got all the available integrations and AI models. The main workspace shows your actual workflow, and you can connect anything to anything else. It's like digital Lego blocks. Check this out, I got this sample agent here that watches for brand mentions and keywords, and then automatically promotes your business on Reddit. It's running completely on autopilot, and if you want to tweak any settings, just click on the gear button on any component and adjust whatever you need. The best part, you can trigger your agents however makes sense for you. Webhooks, schedule intervals manually, or even through web forms. It's really that flexible. Have you tried building AI agents before? Let me know in the comments what you would want to automate first.